Hello, welcome to the news highlights. I am Swarnima Bhatt. Let us recap the keywords that made headlines of this month. National news. The center has made a senior level change in the bureaucracy by appointing Neeraj Mittal as the new Petroleum and Natural Gas Secretary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi travelled to the South Africa to attend the G20 summit, which will see leaders discussing multiple global issues. Indian Air Force delivers relief supplies and NDRF team to Sri Lanka under Operation Sagar Bandhu after floods. Former ISRO chief predicts India will emerge as a global superpower by 2047, driven by space technology and innovation. NDA wins Bihar Assembly elections with over 200 seats. PM Modi hailed mandate. Mahagathbandhan suffers major setback. International news. Google and the US government continued their legal battle over digital advertising, a case that could influence how online ads operate in the future. Sri Lanka declares state of emergency and seeks international support to help communities affected by cyclone Ditwa. Airlines worldwide cancelled hundreds of flights as Airbus A320 software glitch promoted urgent global updates before next flight. Dr. S. Jaishankar meets UN Secretary General Guterres in New York, discussing global order, regional issues, and India's growth. US to cut tariffs on Swiss goods from 39% to 15%, boosting bilateral trade economic cooperation. Franciscan News. On 3rd November, an inter-house social science quiz was conducted for class 4 to 8 organized by the respective subject teachers. A special assembly was held on the occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti. The message was conveyed by a beautiful skit cum dance. On 8 November, Uttarakhand Foundation Day was celebrated by the students of class 6A and B with full zeal and passion. An inter-house science quiz was also conducted on the same day. The much-awaited event, the Sports Meet, a 3-day program, was conducted from 13 to 15. On the opening day, the chief guest was Mr. Chetan Rawat, SHO Tanakpur. The event began with the school band honoring the chief guest, followed by many cultural programs. The closing was on 15th and the chief guest of the day was Mrs. Asha Bhatt. The day commenced very well and concluded by distributing medals and certificates to the students. Children's Day was also celebrated in the middle of the sports week. A short and sweet program was organized by the teachers of St. Francis School, starting with a morning assembly and ending with a fun field news. On 26th November, the National Constitution Day was celebrated by the students of class 5th A and B. The importance of the Constitution was explained along with a small skit. That's all we have for this month, and thank you so much for staying with us and have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy.